To introduce the ALED78, a specification-grade 78-watt LED area light. One of the most exciting features of the ALED78 is that it's designed to replace 250-watt metal halide area lights. Here, we show a photometric comparison between the 78-watt ALED and a 250-watt metal halide area light, also from RAB. As you can see, at the mounting height of 20 feet, the ALED78 has 10 foot more throw at 0.5 foot candles, and an identical width of distribution. In addition, the ALED78 has very little backlight, whereas the 250-watt metal halide has significant backlight, which in some applications can result in a requirement for additional house side shielding. RAB really shot for the core of the high wattage market, and as you can see, we hit it. Replacing 250-watt metal halide with LED yields a huge energy savings. The ALED78 uses 70% less energy than the 250-watt when comparing input watts. This is a massive demand reduction of 204 watts that translates directly to lower energy bills. Thermal management is critical to ensuring a long operating lifespan for LEDs. RAB has developed a new and novel, patent-pending, thermal management design. This design allows us to leverage the power of thermodynamic convection and drive airflow through openings around the perimeter of the fixture. One of the interesting benefits of this technology is that we are able to reduce the size of and material used in making the heatsink, and by miniaturizing it, are able to deliver the ALED78 at industry-beating prices. The ALED78 stays brighter longer compared to metal halide area lights. Comparing the two technologies after 4,000 hours of runtime, metal halide has lost 35% of its initial output, compared to LED, which loses less than 1% of initial output. That's another advantage of LED technology. End users appreciate the reduction in maintenance costs that LED delivers. Metal halide area lights require relamping every 12 to 24 months, depending on runtimes and group relamping schedules. There are significant maintenance costs, including lift rentals and maintenance contracts. The ALED78 comes with a 5-year warranty and is tested according to IES LM80, and RAB uses industry-standard lifetime calculation methods to determine the 50,000-hour LED lifespan. Making the investment in RAB LED lowers maintenance costs. ALED78 delivers fast payback to end users who invest in making the switch to LED. Only $160 more than a traditional 250-watt area light, the ALED78 saves $74 per year in energy. That's with a 10-hour nightly runtime at 10 cents per kilowatt-hour energy cost. Payback on investing in the ALED78 is less than 2 years. Add in maintenance costs or local utility rebates, and the payback can be even faster. RAB engineered specification-grade optics for the ALED78 that deliver efficient, clean, uniform light distributions at a reasonable cost. These optics are factory installed and meet IES lateral distribution types 2, 3, and 4. The Type 3 distribution, shown here, is the most popular and is ideal for roadway, general parking, and other lighting applications where a larger pool of light is required. It is intended to be located on a pole near the side of the area to light, allowing the light to project outward and fill the area. The Type 2 distribution is ideal for wide walkways, on-ramps, and entrance roadways, bike paths, and other long, narrow lighting applications. Meant for lighting large areas and located near the roadside, this type of distribution is commonly found on small side streets or jogging paths. Type 4, also known as forward throw, is especially suited for mounting on the side of a building and projects light outward. Let's look at how a parking lot lays out using the various type of ALED78. This parking lot and surrounding roadways are lit with Type 2, Type 3, and Type 4 in various combinations to achieve tight cutoffs and excellent uniformity. The result is an energy-efficient and cost-effective lighting system. An exciting addition to the ALED78 family is the wall pack version, called the WPLED78. The WPLED78 is a Type 4 distribution that replaces up to 400 watts of metal halide. It's a combination of the fantastic optics of the Type 4 with a wall mount bracket to create an affordable, high-quality 78-watt wall pack. Take a look at the photometrics. The WPLED78 is on the left, and the 400-watt wall pack is on the right. It's clear that the WPLED78 is equal to or better than the 400. This fantastically efficient product reduces energy consumption by 80% and delivers more watts saved than any other RAB LED product, 367 watts per fixture. That's $134 of energy savings per year. Thank you for taking time to learn about RAB's new ALED78. If you're interested in seeing how it might work for you, request a layout by clicking here. If you would like to see more detailed specifications, click here.